Winter storm warning in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. EST Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central and northeast Ohio. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. EST Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute. Additional details. Widespread snow late tonight and Friday morning will transition to lake effect snow Friday afternoon. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.